Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to chrome wheels at home. Start by setting up a clean, well-ventilated workspace and gather gloves, goggles, respirator, rags, and drop cloths. Remove tires and clean the wheel thoroughly to remove grease, brake dust, and old sealant using a degreaser. Inspect for dents or corrosion and repair before continuing. Lay out tools and supplies so each step flows smoothly and safely as you move through the process. Prep is everything, so take your time and be precise with each step. Start by stripping any existing finish and corrosion, then sand the wheel from coarse to fine grit until the surface is smooth and even. Remove all dust with compressed air and wipe thoroughly using a solvent and a tack cloth. Mask off areas like lug holes and valve stems to prevent unwanted buildup before you begin primer or chrome application. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker to play music, set timers, or manage hands-free tasks while you work on wheels. It's a nice, compact addition to any garage without getting in the way. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When applying chrome coatings, use products designed for metal and follow drying times strictly. Spray and etch primer first for adhesion, then apply multiple thin coats of chrome paint, allowing each coat to flash dry between passes to prevent runs. After achieving even coverage, apply a high-gloss clear coat to protect the finish and enhance shine. Cure according to product instructions, then lightly polish, if needed, to remove tiny imperfections and boost reflectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.